I'm about to share with you how you can potentially earn thousands of dollars from Britney Spears' new book, The Woman in Me. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in just 2 days, the highly anticipated Britney Spears book is coming out. It's called The Woman in Me. Now you might be watching this like, dude, what's wrong with you? You've been anticipating this book? Absolutely not. Alright, like I ain't gonna lie, I didn't know she was dropping the book until my wife was like, yo, I gotta get this new Britney Spears book. I gotta get it when it come out. And I'm like, Britney got a book out? And she's like, yeah, right? And I'm like, oh wow. So I look online, a lot of people talk about Britney's book. And this book is probably going to do very, very, very well. And it's going to be very popular. All right. So with that being said, this is an opportunity for anybody, but especially Britney Spears fans, to actually earn some extra cash from her book release. All right. So the first thing you want to do is become an affiliate of Britney Spears' book and or merchandise. All right, so the first place that you can become an affiliate of Britney's book is Amazon. So to become an Amazon affiliate or associate, you need to have some sort of website or a blog already. Now if you don't have either one of these things and you just have, say, a YouTube channel, you can still try to apply, because I can't remember if you can use a YouTube channel or not. But if you have some sort of blog or a website, you can apply to be an Amazon affiliate. Now Amazon is the most popular, obviously, because everybody knows about Amazon, but here's 2 other places that you can become an affiliate of Britney Spears merchandise. The first place is eBay. All you need to do, go to Google, type in how to become an eBay affiliate, and I believe it's a little easier to become an eBay affiliate than it is Amazon. All right. And another place you could become an affiliate is Etsy. Now if you look on Etsy, you see a lot of, Britney t-shirts, Britney merchandise, all kinds of stuff related to Britney Spears, and you can actually be an affiliate and earn some money from generating sales. Now, one more side note, when it comes to Etsy, if you are a creative type person, you can create your own Britney Spears type merchandise and have your own Etsy store. Now, be sure to look at the legalities of using Britney's images and things like that, but there are a lot of people selling Britney related stuff on Etsy. So just do a little bit of research, and if you're creative, you can start your own store. Alright, so now that you are an affiliate of Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, hell, you might be an affiliate of all 3, right? Now it's time. It's time to drive traffic to your affiliate links. So of course, the number one place I'm going to tell you to promote is right here on YouTube. Because when this book drops, a lot of people are going to be on YouTube looking for, book reviews and what people are talking about in the book. And this is, like, to me, first place to go. Start creating videos about the book. All right. And then, of course, all you're going to do is put your affiliate links in the description of your videos. Now, I am assuming that you're going to get Britney's book, so you're going to know all about it, right? So the first thing you need to do is make a video on just reviewing the book. All right, give your take on it, the goods, the bads, things that surprised you, whatever, right? You want to do a video about that, or you can do like chapter by chapter. So it's funny, like when my wife was telling me about the Britney Spears book, she was like, yeah, I'm gonna start a Britney Spears book club. And I was like, you starting a book club? And she was like, yeah. I was like, really? I was like, who in it? She was like, just my daughter. And I'm like, your daughter? That's it? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not a club. That's just 2 people talking about a book. But I digress. So what you could do, if you don't want to do the book review, you could go chapter by chapter, right? And just make videos. So if the book has 20 chapters in it, that's 20 videos right there that you could talk about. Plus, you still can do an overall book review at the end. So what you could do, if you don't want to do the book review, you could go chapter by chapter, right? And just make videos. So if the book has 20 chapters in it, that's 20 videos right there that you could talk about. Plus, you still can do an overall book review at the end. Now, do you have any idea how much traffic you can generate by doing this and the commissions that could be earned? Now, do you have any idea how much traffic you can generate by doing this and the commissions that could be earned? And here's another dope ass thing about this method and using YouTube, because not only can you generate commissions from, Amazon or Etsy or eBay, you can generate YouTube AdSense money. So if your YouTube channel isn't monetized yet, this strategy can help it get monetized. And if it's already monetized, you can make a lot of money just from YouTube ads. Now, if you don't rock with YouTube, because I know a lot of people they don't mess with YouTube, right? But you can do the same strategy using Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. So without a doubt, the earning potential of this strategy is crazy. Trust me, if you're not going to do this, there are going to be a lot of other people that are, and they are going to make a lot of money doing this. So if you like this strategy and plan on doing it, comment below. And if you don't, then watch another video.